Hi guys, RETROCENGO here, welcome back to my channel. I just got in another Commodore 64, condition unknown. I just opened it here. I'm gonna check it out. Don't know if it works, no nothing, but I think we should just check it out together, guys. I wanna open it, take a look inside. If there's nothing visually wrong, then I want to give it some power with a new PSU and just check the SID chip. If everything checks out fine, it will be cleaned and all that. But let's just check this nice Commodore 64 out together. We got a PSU. Yeah, looks nice. Commodore 64, somebody has written L, I don't know why. Made in Germany, alright. Looks fine. The colors are a little off, but yeah. Let's take a look inside it. Came with the box, so that's nice. Also this one, I got this one with it. I have a couple of these, I have not tried them yet. I think it's some kind of fast orders, but I don't know what these buttons do. So let's just check it out. There we go. Okay, the RF shielding has been taken off, which means that somebody else has been in here before me. That's nice. It seems like only one chip is socketed, all the others are totally mounted directly, which I don't like. SA number 250-407. Yeah, I hope this one works, guys. Let's just take a quick look. It looks okay, and the fuse doesn't look burned. So let's just give it some power. I trust this one, not all the old PSUs. Well, to be honest, I have had no problems with these ever, and I have had quite a lot of them back in 2018. But as I read online, if you Google these PSUs, I mean there are horror stories about them burning the chips inside and all that. So my opinion of them is what I have read online, but personally they all work. The only problem I had with them was actually the fuses was blown in a couple of them, and after I replaced them, they worked again. So yeah, but again, most people says don't use them, so there must be a reason. I mean, these. I don't want to advertise for no one or nothing, but pretty cheap. Buy one of these, then you're sure. Alright guys, we got power. The power's turned on. There we go. Green light, LED light inside is on. And we got SCART stick connection, and let's just give it some power and see what's gonna happen. Nice. It works. Okay, picture is nice. Keyboard, nice. Shift key, nice. Okay, we have to check the SID chip, most important part. But before we do that, let's just take a look at this one. What it does, guys. Don't know. Well, sometimes when I plug these cartridges in a 20-year-old Commodore 64, they mess up in the graphics. Then I just take them out and plug them in again, and then they usually work. All right, let's see if a menu something. Okay, nothing's changed. I'm gonna press the left button now. Oh, another menu. F1 reset, F3 run, F5 menu, F8 fast load. So shift F7. It's a fast load version 5.0 that shell 1988. So we got a fast loader on this card. That's nice. We also have what are they called? Quick keys. Oh. What did that do? I'm gonna press S7 and see. Okay, as there are now, nothing happens. So when I load the fast loader, we have these F1 to F7 here. Okay, I'm gonna press the right button now. Okay, the right button is a soft reset, that's nice. And the left button again. Reset, run, menu, let's try menu. Printer, dump, backup, picture, save, view. Don't have no idea. Let's quit that. Okay, so it's got a built-in. Can I just do it like this? No, I have to press the button here, left button, and choose. There we go. So when we have the fast loader, I'm gonna press F7 now. Then it runs. If I had the 1541 connected, then I think it will give a run command there. And F5, it lists what the disk is has inside. F1 says something that I don't know what it is. Oh, that's a search what's inside the disk. And F3 is this. Don't know what that is. Alright guys, that little red cartridge works. Nice. So let's test the SID chip. I got a 1541 Ultimate here. Really easy way to test the SID chip because we got cartridge games, we got music and all that. So I just press here. Everything controlled by the keyboard. It's so easy. Let me see if you can see the top of the menu. Yes, you can. All right, so I just choose music, and then something we know, DMC. Let's find something we all know, guys. Oh yes. There we go. SID chip works. System 6581. Which revision? Let's find out. Let's just take down the sound and look at the revision of the SID chip over here. So it says 6581. Oh. Usually it says 6581R something something, but this one does not. So I don't know if that means it's the first revision or something like that. And under it, it says that it's from the 51st week of 1983 it was produced. So this is an old one. As I know, the Commodore 64 came out in 82. So this is a pretty early product, guys. I actually don't like this model because of there are just too many components that can go wrong. Yeah, so I think this is the first revision, first model of the SID chip. All right. But it's nice that everything works. We got picture, we got sound, we got everything going. So only thing to do is clean up this beautiful, beautiful computer. So I want to say thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. And I hope you will subscribe. Until next time, clean your Commodore 64. Bye. Look what I just found in one of my boxes. Some kind of joysticks, old joysticks for the Commodore. Don't know which version or no, nothing like that. As I can see, it has got the normal Commodore 64 plug, and these ones to control it. Really, really bad fire buttons, and yeah, don't know what they're called. I mean, nothing is written other than they're made in Hong Kong. Yeah, that's how they look. I just want to have it on YouTube and share it with you guys. So, some odd Commodore controller units. Have a nice day, guys. RETROCENGO out.